Now we are going to see how to enable a solution. Before going to know the enable solution, we have to know what is solution. A solution is a detailed description of a customer issue and the resolution of that issue. So who gonna create the solutions? So these can be created by the solution managers, administrators, and users with the appropriate permissions can create, review, and categorize solutions. So they can also publish solutions to the self-service portal and make the solution public. So just type the solution in quick find search box. So here you can see up to now we discussed everything in Lightning, but I'm going to show how to enable the solution in Classic. So I'm going to tell you later why I am doing the solutions in Classic. So I'm switching back to Classic, click on setup, type solution in quick find search box. Under the solutions you can see the solution settings. Need to enable this. Enable solution browsing. And one more thing, enable HTML solutions. Then click on save button. Then click on save button. Now see how to create the solution. So you can see the solutions tab over here. Click on this button, click on new. So what kind of solution you are providing? Just type, for example, getting invalid report error when filter logic added to the report. So if any of the users getting this error, we are providing a solution to that one. Hi, because of the so and so issue, you are getting this error. To overcome that issue, you need to do something like this, blah blah blah. So we're gonna provide some solution to that issue. Then click save. So this should have to be public. Click on edit, enable this checkbox, on visible in public knowledge base as well, enable this one also. Then click on save. Now the solution is active. So what I said earlier, a solution is a detailed description of a customer issue and the resolution of that issue. So that's the way we provide the solutions in Salesforce. But why I explained this one in Classic? Switch back to the Lightning, go to the setup, click on setup. Now in quick find search box, type solution. So the solution setting is not available in setting in Lightning. So what is the alternative for that? The alternative for that one is knowledge. So how can we enable? Click on the settings icon, click on the service setup, then click on view all. So click on knowledge setup, then click on start. Here you can enable which of the colleagues can create the content on knowledge articles. I'm gonna add 3 of them. Then click on next. Create categories for different types of content. So create a data category group, knowledge articles about of reports. You can enter as per the requirement, whatever the name you want. Then click on next. Then click on finish. So Salesforce Knowledge is the knowledge-based solution that is a part of the Salesforce Service Cloud. So a comprehensive package of components and modules that gives you a complete customer view and enables you to provide intelligent, fast and personalized customer service. So what is the difference between solution and knowledge? Knowledge requires separate licenses. Solutions comes with all salesforce.com licenses. Knowledge is a segmentable with data categories. That is, you could show a different set of knowledge to your support guys than you can to your customers. Knowledge is a feature license, which means you can buy it as an add-on for some of your users. That's a different from an addition, which you have to buy for all. Yeah, so that's the difference between Salesforce solutions and knowledge.